आप सबको मैं नमस्कार। मेरा नाम नितिन पुजारी है और आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है वो डिप्रेशन पे होने वाला है। कृपया करके ये वीडियो अंत तक देखिए। तो लेट अस बिगिन। एक सर्वे के हिसाब से दुनिया में 8 लाख लोग डिप्रेशन की वजह से सुसाइड कर लेते हैं। तो ये छोटा नंबर नहीं है। डिप्रेशन क्या होता है? अगर जनरल में बोलूं तो डिप्रेशन एक थॉट होता है, एक नेगेटिव थॉट होता है जो लंबे समय तक चलता है। और ये लंबे समय तक चलने वाली एक नेगेटिव थॉट एक इंसान को इन्फ्लुएंस करती है। या तो नेगेटिव थॉट हो सकता है या तो नेगेटिव चीज को इन्फ्लुएंस करती है। तो जनरली हम बोलते हैं अगर ग्रीफ है और सैडनेस है तो उसको डिप्रेशन नहीं बोलते हैं। ग्रीफ का मतलब ये होता है कि अचानक आपको कोई बुरा न्यूज सुन लिया आपने, तो उस बुरी न्यूज की वजह से आपको कुछ देर के लिए दुख होगा मगर वो लॉन्ग टर्म में चला जाएगा। और सैडनेस भी लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होता है, मगर डिप्रेशन है ना लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होता है। तो इसीलिए डिप्रेशन को हम पकड़ नहीं सकते कई बार। तो वो दिखने में नॉर्मली दिखेगा मगर वो डिप्रेस्ड रहेगा। तो उस चीज के लिए चेक करने के लिए हमने एक एक्सपर्ट को भी इनवाइट किया है। वो आपको उस चीज को पकड़ने के लिए, उस चीज के बारे में कैसे जाने अपने बारे में, तो वो एक्सपर्ट आपको बोल देगी। उसके अलावा अगर हम एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल व्यू से बोलते हैं तो डिप्रेशन एक मन का विषय है। तो हम मन को चंद्र से देखते हैं। चंद्र से देखते हैं तो चंद्र एक वाटर एलिमेंट है, एक पानी का एलिमेंट। फीलिंग्स और हमारे जो भी माइंड में चलता है वो वाटर एलिमेंट से इन्फ्लुएंस होता है। तो इसीलिए हमारे फीलिंग्स को हमको पानी की तरह बहने देना चाहिए। अगर हम हमारे फीलिंग्स को कहीं ना कहीं एक मोड पे रोक देते हैं और एक किनारे में रोक देते हैं फीलिंग्स को, या तो फीलिंग्स को नेगेटिव करके एक रोक देते हैं, अब हमारे फीलिंग्स को बहने नहीं देते हैं, तो वो डिप्रेशन हो जाता है। या तो जैसे पानी स्मेल होता है वैसे डिप्रेशन भी क्रिएट हो जाता है। तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी में इस चीज के बहुत से रेमेडीज होते हैं और हम चार्ट में ही देख सकते हैं कि एक इंसान में कितनी नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस है, या तो नेगेटिविटी उसमें है या तो नेगेटिविटी बाहर से आ रही है। तो उस नेगेटिविटी को सॉल्व करने के लिए अक्सर एस्ट्रोलॉजर बहुत से सॉल्यूशंस बोलते हैं। उसमें बहुत से कॉमन एक सॉल्यूशन है कि मेडिटेशन करना। और हमारे योगा में भी यही बोलते हैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा। हमारे मैथोलॉजी में जैसे रामायण, महाभारत और हमारे वेदास में और योगा के स्क्रिप्चर्स में ये मन की गति और मन की विषय के बारे में बहुत सी बात किया गया है। तो हम अगर अपने मैथोलॉजिकल स्टडीज के हिसाब से भी हम अपने मन को उस चीज में फोकस करें तो हम कहीं ना कहीं डिप्रेशन से बाहर आ सकते हैं। तो पता नहीं कौन डिप्रेशन में है, मगर आपको अपने आप को एक चेकमेटो डालना चाहिए। उसके अलावा योगा में एक बोला गया है योगा चित्त वृद्धि, मतलब योगा अगर आप कंटिन्यूस करोगे, ध्यान अगर आप कंटिन्यूस करोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके बॉडी से जो भी टॉक्सिन्स है ना वो निकल जाता है। तो वो टॉक्सिन्स निकलने से कहीं ना कहीं आपके अंदर से नेगेटिविटी चला जाता है, या तो कोई नेगेटिव एनर्जी या तो नेगेटिव थॉट आपके अंदर आया है तो वो भी बहुत इजी वे में और लॉन्ग टर्म में निकल जाएगा। तो इसीलिए अगर आप किसी एक थॉट से प्रॉब्लम है आपको, जैसे बहुत से लोगों को एक वर्ड से ही प्रॉब्लम होता है। जैसे बहुत से लोगों को मैड बोलने से, किसी को बहुत सुना होता है वो मैड वर्ड, उससे तो सिर्फ वो वर्ड सुनने से वो आपा खो देता है अपना। तो उसके वजह से अपने आप को चेक कीजिए। और आप जो हमारे एक एक्सपर्ट से बात करने वाले हैं, वो एक्सपर्ट भी हमारे साइकोलॉजी की एक्सपर्ट है। तो आपको सब साइकोलॉजी और सिम्टम्स के बारे में बोलेगी। सो लेट अस वेलकम।
हेलो मैडम। हेलो मैडम, आई एम नितिन पुजारी।
नमस्ते नितिन।
हाँ मैडम, हाउ आर यू?
I'm doing good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, madam. Madam, I was making a small video regarding depression and human psychology. So
Okay.
I wanted your views and your expert views on depression and human psychology.
Okay.
For my YouTube video, I'll be uploading this audio in YouTube. So if
Okay.
you could advise and if you could say some symptoms and about depression, it will be good.
Yeah, sure. What is that you want to know?
Madam, before I get started, let me introduce to my all audience about you. Madam is counseling psychologist, family therapist, and music therapist. Madam is also co-founder of Get Set Go, member of CCI, Counselor Council of India, Joint Secretary of IMTA, Indian Music Therapist Association, and so on. There are so many things about you. In one talk, it's not possible to introduce so much. But Madam, I was having some questions regarding human psychology, and the first question which I always wanted to ask you, that what is depression? Can you please explain it in a short and brief manner?
Okay. Actually, it's a very vast topic, Nitin, but I would like to brief you in short. Depression, which is also known as major depressive disorder, it's a common and serious medical illness which usually negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. The fortunate thing about it is treatable. The depression can cause feelings of sadness or loss of interest in activities that you usually enjoy. And it also leads to a variety of emotional and physical problems and can decrease a person's ability to function at work and home. And definitely it is different from sadness or bereavement or grief. Okay, we have in psychology, in mental health, there is a diagnostic criteria to diagnose a person as a depressive person. Okay, it is different from the sadness that a normal person goes through. That's in brief of what is depression. So
my next question is for you. What are the symptoms? How can any person get to know he is depressed or not? What are the symptoms?
Okay, as I mentioned, it is being sad. There are so many instances that a person goes through in life where we feel sad. There is loss of some people at home or some natural incident that makes us feel sad. It is different from the depression. Depression is a long-term thing. Usually the symptoms vary from mild to severe. In depression also there is mild, moderate, and severe. So the severity changes. Okay. The symptoms could be like feeling sad, feeling low, loss of interest or pleasure in activities that the person usually enjoys. Then some people face changes in appetite. Like some people gain weight or some people also lose weight, depending on individual. Then they face sleeping problems. Okay. Either they have problems sleeping or they sleep too much. Then they feel like they are losing energy, there is fatigue. And physical activity is reduced usually. There is a feeling of guilt or worthlessness. Okay. Some people face difficulty in thinking, concentrating, and making decisions. Okay. And in many cases, we see that depression is linked to thoughts of death and suicide. So people have thoughts of suicide. There is suicidal tendency. Some people commit suicide unless there is on-time intervention happening, or if the person doesn't share with somebody. There may be drastic steps taken. So, but this has to happen these symptoms should last for at least 2 weeks for a person to be diagnosed as depression, from 2 weeks to 6 months. So on their severity, we diagnose it as either mild, moderate, or severe.
Okay, ma'am. What's the common solution if it's in a normal state, and how can we identify and work on that?
See, as I told you, when you talk about identification, it's if somebody is seeing a person constantly sad, as I mentioned all these symptoms just now, if somebody has seen that or is feeling it, it's better to consult a mental health professional. When I say mental health professional, it is like counselor, psychologist, and a psychiatrist who are trained to diagnose whether the person is going through depression or not. Okay, and definitely, as I said earlier, there is a treatment available for depression, from medication, that is psychiatry, till different. There are different therapeutic interventions, psychological therapeutic interventions also. We use psychotherapy, then cognitive behavior therapy, and I'm a music therapist myself, so we use music therapy as an adjunct therapy. There is yoga therapy. Some people use collaborative approach of different kinds of therapy to work on depression. And depending on the severity of the depression, medications are prescribed. Also there is another therapy of electroconvulsive therapy, if need be. So depending on the individual case, the mental health professional decides what kind of treatment or therapy is to be given to the person concerned.
Okay, madam. Most of the people think that going to a psychiatrist, people think a lot going to psychologist and taking their concerns, and most people don't also attend the counseling sessions of psychologists. So, what's your view on that?
Sorry, can you come? My view on that, is it? It was not. Yeah, actually, unfortunately, there is a stigma attached to the word psychology or psychiatry. Now, when we say mental health, when the term mental itself gives a wrong impression to people, society, and people, they think that the person is mad. But actually, mental is related to mind. And we as human beings, just as we have physical health, we all have mental health. We have a mind, right? So that stigma, removing that stigma is really important. That awareness needs to be taken care of. And we professionals are doing talks in schools, colleges to remove the stigma and help people go and approach mental health professionals. So you can also do that in your video by saying that you can go and talk to people. If not instantly, directly on a mental health professional, at least a friend or a family member with whom you can share your thoughts and feelings. Because it is required, especially in today's scenario. You've seen Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide recently,
yes.
And there are so many suicides happening every day in our country.
Yes,
so around the world, in fact. So that is because many people face this and they are unable to share their thoughts, unable to share their concerns or what they are facing. So it is required that people go and talk whatever they are feeling to someone. So that person at least can guide you to a mental health professional. There is nothing wrong to go to a psychiatrist or a psychologist. Just as we go with a broken hand to an orthopedic to treat ourselves, or go to a dentist or a ophthalmologist, we need to go to a mental health professional because it is important to keep our mind also in a healthy state. And because they are trained how to give therapies, it would be advisable to take counseling or help of some professional in this matter. But to begin with, it is always advised that don't keep things in your mind. Share it to your family or friends so that they can be of help and they can listen to you.
Okay. Thank you very much for your valuable advice, ma'am. And
Yes, most
I
welcome.
hope all my audience and those who are seeing this video get some help and they start improving in their life. And I have given them 3 views. One view regarding astrologer, and the second view is obviously the yogic meditation and stuff. And
Correct.
Third is yours, ma'am. So I feel very great that I spoke to you and I got more knowledge from you, and I guess all this audience also take help of this video and improve their life.
Yeah, I'm glad I was of help to you. It's a real good initiative, Nitin, to speak about this topic. It's a need of ours. Really happy about this initiative that you have taken. Wishing you a very good success and best wishes.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
तो आज के जो गेस्ट है अपर्णा मैडम, आपको मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि आपने अपना कीमती समय हमारे लिए निकाला उसके अलावा अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। अगर ऐसे वीडियो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चाहिए तो मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बता दीजिए। धन्यवाद।